Now, the workshop, the homeowner workshop. Welcome. How you feeling? Great. Boy, I'm glad you're here. I know it's not always easy coming to a foreclosure avoidance seminar when you're facing the situation that you're in, but I have to applaud you. It takes a lot of guts, and I want to thank you for being here, and hopefully you'll get what you need when you leave here today. My goal here is to educate you, and that you would take this information and go out and apply it to help your own situation. But before we begin, let me say this. This workshop is not intended to provide legal advice. The intent of this workshop is to educate a homeowner on the foreclosure process in general and make them aware of their rights and options available to them with their lender to escape or avoid foreclosure. We are not attorneys, and we recommend you seek legal counsel. The name of this seminar is Foreclosure Avoidance Comprehensive Training, nothing but the facts. Today's objectives, homeowners, is that number one, we're going to learn. And then we'll do some question and answers, and then we'll close for the day. We'll be brief. If you could, get your seminar notes ready, homeowners, and let's go over our overview. I'm going to go over the foreclosure, the two most common types of foreclosures in the United States, and the purpose, the process, and the types. I'm going to go over what we call a homeowner's right of redemption. I'm going to go over the 3 stages of foreclosure. I'm going to go over the 5 options you as a homeowner have to avoid foreclosure. I'm going to go over the top 10 most common hardship situations. You may see your situation in here. These are the top 10 most common situations when people are faced with foreclosure. I'm going to teach you how to prove your hardship. I'm going to teach you how to call your lender. Lender language, what to say and how to say it. I'm going to go over the short sale with you, because maybe this option is the only option you have left. And why it's a win for you, why it's a win for the bank. And I'm going to go over some frequently asked questions. So let's begin. The definition of foreclosure. A foreclosure is an in or out of court proceeding. The purpose of the foreclosure is to extinguish all of the homeowner's rights to the title and the interest in the property in order to sell the property to satisfy a lien against it. It's important to know that each state handles their real estate foreclosures differently. The foreclosure time frame may vary from state to state. It's also important to know the procedures in your specific state. The information you're about to learn, homeowners, is a general overview of the foreclosure. There are 2 most common types of foreclosures in the United States: judicial foreclosure and the non-judicial foreclosure. It's important to understand the difference between the 2. Let's first talk about the non-judicial. Non-judicial foreclosures are processed without court intervention. It happens when a mortgage loan is defaulted on. If the homeowner does not remedy the default, a notice of sale will be mailed to the homeowner and recorded at the county, published in the local legal publications or classified ads. After the legally required time period has expired, a public auction will be held on the property, with the highest bidder becoming the owner of the property. Question is, what is that legally required time frame? Here, you'll find that information at your county building. On your notice of sale, call an attorney. The judicial foreclosure. Judicial foreclosures are processed through the courts. Beginning with the lender filing a complaint at the court, the homeowner will be served a notice of complaint. You may have seen that come in the mail, either by mail, publicized in local legal publications such as classified ads, legal publications, i.e. the legal news, or being served by a service or the sheriff's department. The homeowner, you, will have an opportunity to be heard before the court. Question, when can I be heard before the court? Well, homeowners, you can find your answer at your county building, on your notice of complaint. You could call an attorney. If the court finds the complaint valid, the court will enter a judgment authorizing a sheriff's sale. What's a sheriff's sale? It's an auction, open to anyone. At the end of the auction, the highest bidder will be the owner of the property, subject to any redemption period. Once the deed is recorded, the highest bidder owns that property. Note to self, it's important to know that each state that practices a non-judicial and a judicial or judicial foreclosure have different procedures. So it's important to understand your procedures in your specific state. Owner's right of redemption. What's a homeowner's right of redemption? A homeowner's right of redemption is a specific time frame in which the homeowner may redeem their property. It's a period of time established by state laws. Where can you investigate about your homeowner's right of redemption, homeowners? Here. Your state or county website. Your county building, talk to an attorney, or call your local real estate agent. Now let's briefly go over the three parts of the foreclosure. There's pre-foreclosure, which some of you probably are already in. In pre-foreclosure, there's a complaint filed at the courthouse. There's a court judgment authorizing a sheriff's sale. There's this, oh yeah, this is a good one. Sometimes, homeowners, you may have served the summons of complaint.